The review of the incredible 2023 Charity Coffee Wristbands. If you're a coffee fanatic who enjoys doing some good in the world, this collection is definitely worth checking out. This wristband collection is presented by 4 coffee lovers from different parts of the world. When you make a purchase, you're not only getting a super beautiful accessory, you're also supporting a great cause. In fact, since September of 2022, I'm not a barista, and our partners have donated over $4,500 and helped a ton of coffee communities in need. So what makes this collection so special? Well, for starters, the new leather material adds a touch of class and sophistication to the wristbands. The fabric has been improved, making them softer and more comfortable to wear all day long. And with multiple design options to choose from, there's a perfect option for any style. The packaging is also 100% biodegradable and eco-friendly, so you can feel good knowing that your purchase isn't contributing to any unnecessary waste. And the surprises don't stop there. The new collection comes with a booklet that dives into the designs and designers behind these unique coffee-inspired wristbands. All in all, the 2023 Charity Coffee Wristbands are a must-have accessory for coffee lovers. Not only do they look great, but with every purchase, you're making a difference. So treat yourself and grab one today. You'll be supporting an amazing cause while showing off your love for the coffee community.